So joins are used to retrieve columns from multiple tables in the same query. Okay. So when you want to fetch data from multiple tables in the same query, you have to use what? Joins. Is the definition of the joins clear? Joins are used to retrieve columns from multiple tables in the same query. What are the different types of joins? We have to go through all these types of joins. Cross join, equi-joins. Equi-joins are of two types: inner join, outer join. Outer joins are of three types: left outer, right outer, and full outer. Okay. And then the next type of join is non-equi joins. So you have to go through all the types of joins one by one. But for now, are we clear what are joins? Joins are used when you want to retrieve data from multiple tables in the same query. Any questions on this slide before I move forward?
No, sir. So for joins, it is prerequisite to have foreign key.
No. You can join any table with any other table, even if foreign key is not there. Okay. Did I say or have I written anywhere that for you to perform joins you need to have foreign key? No. Foreign key is required only to enforce integrity of the data, which means you are making sure that you are not inserting any value that is not there in the parent table. Okay. Any questions from anyone else? No?
Sir, I have one more question.
Yes.
By using join command, we don't modify the table itself, right? So we just get the information.
Just reading the data.
Okay, sir.
Now, for us to understand joins, consider we have two tables, table T1 and table T2. We have two columns in T1, C1 and C2. What values we have in C1? 1, 2, 3. And C2 is A, B, C. So 3 records, 1A, 2B and 3C. T2 also has 3 records, 3X, 4Y and 5Z. Okay. If I go forward, let's create these two tables.